Alright guys, greetings and salutations. What's up everyone trying to stay clean in quarantine? It's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, and today I actually have a trip to the thrift video. It was the same day I shot my previous estate sale video. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. But before we get into the video, I want to shout out today's sponsor, which is very different but relevant in a time where everyone's just chilling at home, bored out of their minds, and that is Raid Shadow Legends. Now, I actually was pleasantly surprised that they decided to sponsor your boy, especially because I'm not an avid gamer. However, when I started this game, I was amazed because I started as a novice and I really gained a little bit of skill. And this ain't no riding unicorns, you know, licking ice cream. This is like freaking the Hulk with a mohawk with dreads on the end, wielding battle axes, just straight murking people, and you get like silver, weapons upgrades, all types of rewards. It honestly is pretty fun, especially because I got to play the game for like 2 hours today just to do this sponsorship, so it's pretty dope. And the game is 100% free, and it's available on mobile and on the desktop, which is also cool. So you can level up characters at the tavern, which is very dope. I have this like war priest that I leveled up. She kind of cute on the cool though too, little redhead. And then you can go to like a portal and you can bust open some shards and then reveal some rare champions or dudes that look like homeless pirates, which is the first one that I got. But yeah, I started off as a novice and I was trying to acquire some potions, got murked, but you can already tell now that I'm cold, bro. So I've been playing on the campaign mode just to get a grip for the game, a general understanding, and it's been a lot of fun. I'm starting to learn how to use the skills and upgrade my armor and weapons and all of that. Also, it's a good way to collect some silver, which also you guys can collect a ton of silver if you guys click the link in the video description, and that's 100,000 in silver to be exact. You guys can find that in your inbox, which is right here. And then you'll also be awarded with a brand new champion, this beautiful light-skinned lavender avatar looking hex weaver. And yeah, she's a seamstress, except like badass. So yeah, if you guys are bored just chilling at home, I would recommend downloading the game. They have this cool new feature which is called Battle Pass, where you guys can essentially complete daily and weekly challenges, which we have some weeks to blow, let's be real, and get some new rare champions and then just straight fuck people's lives up. But yeah, check out the link in the video description. Very, very cool. I appreciate Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video. And without further ado, let's actually hop into today's trip to the thrift. You dig? All right, guys. So we're live in the store right now, and I have to hit these thrifts and sales while they're still happening because I don't know what'll happen with the coronavirus. Let's keep it a buck in terms of closures. But the first find, man, is that Cincinnati Shere Khan Bengals AJ Green, Mr. Franchise Tag himself. This is like a hockey jersey hoodie, but it's for the NFL. Perplexing. Oh man, this is just like me whenever that Sports Illustrated swimsuit edition came in. I was in 7th grade just busting like a volcano, boy. Bruh, big blessings. Check this out, man. Nike boys, we don't do 3 stripes. We have a GRAIL. We got the big old check vintage Nike Windbreaker. This is looking like a Crest whitening strip or any type of little toothpaste bottle, if you will. It has a couple of like blood spatter stains on it. Dexter, oh, know what I'm saying? This is a Butamus vintage gray tag. Man, kind of this landing strip design on the back. Holy hell, Nike GRAIL. Oh, not like this. Guys, I'm telling y'all, the sleeve never deceives. Please, wait, hold on. What? Oh, bro, at first I thought it was just a normal windbreaker. Bro, we got another one. Are you joking me? Gray tag, size large. Another vintage Nike GRAIL. Holy hell. At first I was like, this is just like a normal windbreaker because the logo normally is right here, but it's like mid-abdomen. Wow. Oh, this is what I'm talking about, man. This takes me back to the 3rd grade when I was drawing on this damn college rule paper. Actually, it was wide rule back then. Let's not get it twisted. You had the Family Guy liquid blue tee. I just wish it was double-sided, man. They got a little lazier with the new school stuff, but dang, this shirt is still a firecracker, and it's my size.
Perfect.
So sick. Dual-wheeled ferociousness. Look at my boy Tigger. Bro, that's weird. It's like his fur pattern all of a sudden turned into like chalkboard punishment. Random. And then you also got the Canucks jersey. Oh, some Canadian swagger. Bro, it's that boy Pure. It's like Cure, except he's a blood. You feel me, Big B?
I let my nuts hang, blood. Like,
Oh, shit. We got another one, dude. This thing looks like it was definitely dyed in some R. Kelly body excrement. It's that Nike elongated white windbreaker. Pocket for narcotics included. Swag. Hey, I'm a Dallas fan, but this shirt still goes hard, though. Bruh, I guess this is like a Washington Redskins. Bro, if this was actually their logo with, you know what I'm saying, that sign language vulgarity, that low-key be a little bit harder and less offensive. This thing is sick. What the hell did they put in the grape Kool-Aid, dude? They got a Marlboro purple sweater. This cannot actually be sanctioned by Marlboro, dude. This is so random. I mean, there's no tag on it, but huh, interesting. Oh my God, dude, this t-shirt is so hard. It's the 1998 South Park tee. Bro, I don't even know what the hell that says. Logodal. I don't know, coolest shirt on the planet, but guys, got all the characters. Oh, guillotine. Dude, this is a fireball. Yes. Y'all can't even lie. My guy is built like Lord Farquaad. Vintage champion made in USA though. America, baby. Yeah. Yo, this shirt says, remember when sex was safe and diving was dangerous? My man is fornicating with a mermaid, but regardless, that's not true. Cause look at this. This fool got that hammerhead, bruh. Little tie-dye job on this. Aquatic eroticness. Clean. Oh, if it's not Mr. I'm comfortable in Wrangler.
I'm comfortable in Wrangler.
Oh, yeehaw, daddy. Hey, man, look at this. Yo, this piece is some fire right here, man. It's that roper. Look at that little hit of pink right there, man. That looks like those cushions. Looks like those cushions I done got at the last spot, you know what I'm saying? Nice little gradient, man. That's some Mexican blanket right there, man. Bro, my man's is gone on these mountains. Cocaine cowboy. Little ski tee, bruh. Like turtleneck. Hold on, what is this? Ooh, St. Louis Blues starter jacket. Ooh, it's pretty beat up though, man. This thing got hit by an oil spill. Jesus, we really don't do 3 stripes, okay? White tag, made in USA, big check. This is a little bit stained up, got some mucus on it, but I'll still take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Oh, I love gold. Got the 49ers embroidered nutmeg. And then check these out. Oh my God, these are like the Bo's noses, except not. What size are these little things, man? I need to know. 10.5. Damn. This shirt goes crazy. It says, I survived the road to Hana. Bro, look at this kid for rent. I like what he's whipping though, man. Laney color scheme. Polytees 1985, man. Super crew. Literally, bro. Tommy for your mommy. Duh. Okay, guys. We got ourselves a humdinger right here. Check this one out. Yeah, bro. The Chicago Bulls vintage pro player Crewneck. Oh my God. Made in USA, homeboy. Bro. That bum equipment with those huge letters for everyone with vision problems, man. This is new school, but bro, it's that bum. Ooh-wee. All right, guys, we got a couple new school pieces that are still dope. That 21 Savage, it's a knife.
It's a knife.
And then the Chicago Bulls tee, pretty cool. Ooh, holy hell. Guys, check this one out. Bruh. You got a band tee banger? It's kind of crazy because these old school band tees look like reprints, and that's when you really got to examine. You have that Van Halen Live 1982 tee. You can see the 1982s right here, and then on the back there also is the 1982, but the graphic is so clean. But the main indicator is that it is single stitch because this little puppy is missing its tag. Someone had that itchy neck syndrome. But bruh, what a grail. Lion. I shit you guys not, this is the hardest Hard Rock Cafe tee I think I've ever seen. Toronto edition, made in Canada. Hey, also, Alaska? Essential. Boy, how'd you get your grill that way? And how much did you pay? Look at this. Alligator and dragonfly. This is fly. And all right, guys, last two finds before we depart up out of here are two little jerseys. Whoopsies. You have the Maryland Terrapins Nike jersey. I just like this because that little ribboning. And then you have the Bullets jersey right here. Very cool. This is actually a throwback jersey. Who was it for? That boy Wes Unseld, illiterate, 1977 to 78. Hardwood classics. You guys know, if I like one type of wood, it's that hardwood. And all riggedy, all right, guys. So we're back in the house right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little trip to the thrift. Now this video was shot like a week and a half ago, so don't worry, I'm not out here contracting corona. But excuse me, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out all of you guys dropping these crazy comments. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys feel inclined to do so, then go ahead and check out Raid Shadow Legends. I actually was pleasantly surprised by how fun the game was. Like when I started playing it, I low-key was on it like all morning. So I don't know, man. If you guys are bored, need something to do, click the link in the description. Anyways, live the dream, eat that ice cream, and until next time, I am out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.